Hey natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. How everybody's doing? Before I jump into the video, hold on. I'm gonna bring this down some more. Alright, perfect. Alright guys, so remember to like up the video, share up the video, then hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Don't be afraid to blow the comment section and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Okay. Alright guys, so today I'm gonna be, based on the title down below. Yeah, what's going on with me? Yeah. I have good news and bad news. Yes. Let me get the water bottle. So yeah guys, I have good news and bad news. But first thing first, I'm gonna start off with the bad news first so we can get that out of the way and focus on the good news. Okay. Oh, I water my drink, guys. Yeah, I'm drinking water. I'm trying to consume more water and it's no drinks. Right? But yeah. The bad news. Um 6 months ago my camera was broken, right? So I have to be using my phone to do videos. So videos on the me I do, yeah. It's my phone I have to be using. My camera broke in 6 months ago, and guess what? What happened next? My laptop stopped work. Yeah, about 2 weeks ago. Well, 2 months ago, it was working, but it never worked 100%. It did kind of allow me to edit some videos, and then 2 weeks ago, it decides say, you know what, this is the end of it. May don't work. Okay, so my laptop broken. Yeah, I don't have any laptop to edit. Right, so that's the reason why you may haven't seen me posting for a while. Yeah, that's the main reason. It wasn't because I decided to take a break, right? It was the fact that I didn't have a laptop to upload. So that's what's been going on. Those are the two main challenges that I have been facing. Yes. That laptop, I bought that laptop last year, and I don't even get my money's worth out of it, right? The type of laptop that I bought was Unique brand. Yeah, it was a Unique brand I bought. First of all, from the first time I brought home that laptop, and brother look at it and say, that's not a good laptop. But and then afterwards, yeah, it's like he didn't want to cuss me out. My brother tell me so I should have asked question before me to buy, because them know about laptop, them know what brand to get and stuff like that. Me know, I don't know. I just decided to say, I want my laptop to use, I'm gonna go buy a laptop. Right? But at the end of the day, get me lose. I'm planning on getting a laptop, yes. I don't know how soon, yeah, but maybe sometime in November, late part of November to early part of December. Yeah, I'm planning on getting a laptop. For the camera now, I can plan on getting that later on. That's the bad news. Yeah, that's the bad news. Um, Obstacles comes into your way, right? That form a challenge, yes. I'm not gonna let because of it. I'm gonna like give up and throwing it away and like this is it. Yeah. I'm working on getting a laptop as I said before. Yeah. So you guys can get more video. Right? Alright, so the good news now is that I am finally at my second milestone. 200 subscribers, guys. Yes, that's the good news I have to share with you guys. And I decided that, I will come on camera and, appreciate you all. Show some form of gratitude. Yeah. 200 subscribers. Can you believe that? People, I feel good. I feel so good. Yeah. 200 subscribers, that means a whole lot to me. Yeah, it means a lot. It means so much. It means enough people that know. Guys, 200 people, is a lot of persons. Yeah, I appreciate it. So I want to show gratitude to all the persons who watch my videos and haven't subscribed. Right, I appreciate you all. To persons who subscribe to my channel, I appreciate you. Thank you. To persons who, participate in the comment section, and to persons who don't participate in the comment section, you have some people like to be low key, right? I appreciate you. To persons who share my videos across the world, share it to their auntie, their friend, their uncle, coworker. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. And for persons who like up the video, them big up on themselves. Alright, I appreciate you guys. Without you, I would have reached my second milestone. So we are on our journey to our third milestone, which is 300 subscribers, guys. And I know we can all do it. Yeah, because if we reach the first milestone and then the second milestone, and now we can do the third one. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. A lot of person may say, but she not reach 1,000 and she a baby like that. Guess what? Small things, yeah, I am grateful for. I'm grateful for the small things. I'm just showing how grateful I am. I really appreciate it. It means so much to me. It's a big mean for me. Having 200 subscribers, it's a big mean. That's a big mean. Yeah, it's a big mean. Yeah. People make me happy. I am so happy. So that hello birds, you see, each time I grow, yeah, what it does to me is that it motivates me. Yeah, it motivates me and it encourages me to do more video and continue doing what I do. Yeah. So well, the plans that I have is that I'm planning on uploading twice per week. Yeah, twice per week. Yeah, I'm planning on that. That is coming soon. But what I have to be doing right now is, I have to go and check my schedule to see which other day, along with Saturday, I can upload. Yes, I'm going to be uploading Saturday and I'm going to be deciding on another day to upload videos. Yeah, so I am excited about that. Yeah, I'm excited. Yeah. People, I can't stop talking about the 200 subscribers. I feel good. Me feel good. Yes. Another thing, guys, that I want to share with you guys. Yeah, as you guys can see, I have on weight. Yeah. I'm planning on changing up my eating habit. I'm planning on exercising more, and I'm planning on, eating small portions and stuff like that. And show you guys my workout routine here. I need to lose at least 20 pounds. Yeah, I need to lose at least 20 pounds. Yeah, so that's a lot of work, and I want the love and the support to behind me. I want you guys to support me. Yeah. So you'll find that some days I'm going to be taking you all on the road here because I'm gonna walk in the morning, walk and jog a little in the morning. We're doing warm-ups and stuff like that. Oh guys, my brother bought some rabbit the other day. They're nice, they're adorable. So I am going to be taking a show of them. Yeah. Yeah, the rabbits, them are so cute. Rabbits is a good pet to have. Yeah, they're nice. So I'm going to show them, feed them. Alright, so this one is the male. And that's the female one over on that side, the dark skin one. Yeah, the black chocolate. Yeah. So my brother separate them because him got them recently and want them breed up. Yeah. Guys, this is the one over there, so one morning we get up, end up on the rooftop. Up on the rooftop. So guys, once more, thank you guys so much for supporting, and remember, big up on yourself and continue to do the great things by sharing. Remember to subscribe, remember to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video. Bye guys.